Class 7. Today we will study the English Grammar Gate book. In this, we were going on with the lesson direct and indirect speech. Today we will study the pattern of reported orders and requests. The pattern of reported orders and requests is reporting verb means tell oblique ask plus person spoken to plus to infinitive. We use tell or ask to do something. We use tell in reporting orders and ask in reporting request. We can also use verb like order, command, advise and request. Now the first example is clean the blackboard, the teacher said to the boy. So this is the reporting part and this is the reported part. So for changing from direct speech to reported speech or indirect speech, what we do, the teacher, we will start from here. The teacher, for said to what we'll write told, because whenever there is command we write told. So the teacher told, for said to what we write told the boy. Then what we do, write to. Then this whatever is written in between the comma and inverted comma. So clean the blackboard. Number second sentence, turn off the TV, she said. So she for said what we will write told him. Nothing is given, it is her or him, so you can write him oblique her. It can be anyone. She told him. Then what we will do, to. Then the term in the quotation marks. Turn off the TV. Don't talk loud, he said to the children. So he said to what you'll write, told the children. For don't, what do you do? There is a rule that suppose it is don't plus go, speak, drive, means any verb is there. So if the sentence is of the form don't and then any verb, then what we say or what we do to indirect speech, to form an indirect speech, not to and then verb. So here don't talk too loud. He told the children not to talk loud. For don't, what we do, not to. And the remaining part we write the way it is written in the question. Please open the window. Now this is the request. So she first said she requested, or you can say ask also, but better is if you use the proper word only, order, command, advise, requested. She requested him oblique her, you can write him oblique her, to, now please is removed, open the window. Now next example, she don't shout, said the officer. Now the officer, this is the reporting part, the officer, since it is an order, no, that's why what we will write, ordered the soldier. For don't, what we will write, not to, and the remaining part should. Improve your spelling, the teacher said. The teacher, what will she do? She will advise. The teacher advised. It can be me also and to the students also. Both the sentences are correct. So object you can consider yourself, whichever you want, you can write it here. The teacher advised me, then what you will write, to, and then the portion which is in the quotation mark, to improve my spelling. Or you can say the teacher advised the students to improve. If it is the students, then their. If me, then my. So this was your example. Now question B. Change these sentences into the reported speech. Come in, he said to her. So he, you can say right here order also. He ordered her to come in, or you can say he asked, because he told or asked her to come in. Don't make a noise, he said to the boys. So he asked the boys. For said to, what you write? Asked. The boys, for don't, what you write? Not to, and the remaining part, make a noise. Full stop should be written here. Now, please help me with the homework, Radha said to her mother. Radha requested her mother to, now please will be removed, help for me her with the homework. Take the tablets before meals, the doctor said to her. The doctor for said to asked her to take the, for to will be there, to take the tablets before meals. Don't go there, he said. He asked him oblique her, then for don't, not to, then go there. Please don't disturb me, she said. She asked him oblique her not to. For don't, what do you like? Not to. They disturb, for me it will change into her. Don't touch the wire, they said. They said, you can write him also here, her also, or them also. So they asked him not to then touch the wire. Wash your face, she said to the boy. She asked the boy to wash his face. For your change into his, because the object is boy. Please give me a glass of water, he said. He asked him oblique her to give him, for me, him, a glass of water. Don't drive so fast, I said. I asked him oblique her not to drive so fast. Now, question number C. Mr. Das has 4 children, Isha, Tarun, Anmol and Riya. Yesterday she was ill, so she told her children to do certain things. This is Mrs. Das. For Mr. it is MR, but it is MRS means Mrs. Report what she said. Sweep the house, Isha. So now she told Isha to sweep the house. Wash the plates, Anmol. She asked Anmol to wash the plates. Water the plants, Riya. She asked Riya to water the plants. Clean the window, Tarun. She asked Tarun to clean the windows. Don't forget to feed the dog, Isha. She asked Isha not to forget to feed the dog. Go to the market, Anmol and Riya. She asked Anmol and Riya to go to the market. Boil the eggs, Tarun. She asked Tarun to boil the eggs. Make tea, Anmol. She asked Anmol to make tea. So this was a chapter, direct indirect speech. We'll continue the lesson in the next turn.